Hook, have you ever wondered how to dive into the world of cryptocurrency? Maybe you've heard about Bitcoin and its potential, but you're not sure how to get started. Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to walk you through the process of buying Bitcoins on your Kraken wallet. Building context, think of Bitcoin as digital gold. It's a decentralized currency that operates independently of governments or banks. Kraken is a popular cryptocurrency exchange platform offering a secure and user-friendly environment to buy, sell, and trade various cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin. Step-by-step guide. Create a Kraken account. The first step is to sign up for a Kraken account. Visit their website, https://www.kraken.com, and click on the Sign Up button. Follow the on-screen instructions to provide your personal information and create a secure password. Verify your identity. To ensure the safety of your funds, Kraken requires you to verify your identity. This process usually involves uploading a copy of your government-issued ID and proof of address. Fund your Kraken account. Once your account is verified, you'll need to deposit funds. Kraken supports various funding methods, including bank transfers, credit cards, and cryptocurrency deposits. Choose the method that suits you best and follow the provided instructions. Navigate to the Bitcoin market. After funding your account, navigate to the Bitcoin market. You can usually find this by searching for BTC or Bitcoin in the search bar. Place a buy order. Once you're on the Bitcoin market, you'll see the current price and order book. An order book shows the buy and sell orders placed by other users. To place a buy order, you'll need to specify the amount of Bitcoin you want to purchase and the price you're willing to pay. Confirm your order. After placing your order, review the details and confirm it. If your order is filled, the Bitcoin will be added to your Kraken wallet. Additional tips. Security. Always prioritize the security of your Kraken account. Use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and be cautious of phishing attempts. Market research. Before buying Bitcoin, do your research and understand the market trends. Keep up with news and developments in the cryptocurrency world. Diversification. Consider diversifying your portfolio by investing in other cryptocurrencies. This can help reduce risk. Long-term perspective. Bitcoin is a volatile asset. It's important to have a long-term perspective and be prepared for price fluctuations. Conclusion. Buying Bitcoin on your Kraken wallet is a relatively straightforward process. By following these steps and keeping security in mind, you can start your journey in the world of cryptocurrency. Remember, always do your own research and invest wisely. Call to action. If you're ready to take the plunge and buy Bitcoin, visit Kraken's website and sign up for an account today. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more cryptocurrency content. Closing. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.